Load the backhoe onto this brand new Mack truck and move to the next job. Truck and detachable trailer feature fifth wheel clutch, removable side gates, fold-down ramps held by chains to unhook, folding mirrors, opening doors, a folding support bar, a locking device and a tilting cab with viewable engine underneath. The included JCB Backhoe Loader has a fully functional front loader and backhoe that moves up and down and swings side to side. It features stabilizer legs and a seat that spins around. An excellent choice for every child's construction site. Made in Germany. Manufactured from high-quality plastics such as ABS. Scale 1/16. Recommended for playing indoors and outdoors.